Hi everyone, welcome back to the Android Kenya channel, and today we're going to look at this. This is the Infinix S5, the newest Infinix smartphone in the Kenyan market. This device was launched on Friday, November the 29th, if I'm not wrong. And this particular model, we want to see what it contains inside, because Infinix is asking for at least 21,000 shillings for the maxed out variant with 128GB internal storage and 6GB RAM. And for this particular model, I think they're asking for around 16,500 shillings, if I'm not wrong. So let's see what you get for all that money. So getting inside this device, let's unwrap it. And there's no tape, so let's go right into it. So here is the Infinix S5, and right off the bat you can notice a few things that are different with this particular device. We have the punchable setup going on there. On the S4 there was that teardrop notch. At the back here we have a 4 camera arrangement. In the S4 of course we have 3. And this particular model is 64GB internal storage coupled with 4GB RAM. Last time we looked at the Infinix S4, the unit that we had in particular had 3GB RAM and 2GB storage. So this time around the specs have gone a little higher, and these are 128GB 6GB RAM variant. Last time that was 6GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. Of course, this one has the added advantage of having a light variant, and the promising previews of battery life. We'll see about that. The 32-megapixel camera on the front, only the location has changed. The last time around we got to look at the S series, it also had 2 megapixels. The screen has grown to 6.6 inches. The S4 had, I think if I'm not wrong, 6.2 inches. So let's see what else is inside this box. Here's a user manual. It's an injection tool. So this is the user manual. So what was this one? There's some documentation. User manual, extra card here. Okay, yes. We have earbuds, nothing fancy. Your charging cable, micro USB, and here is your old adapter. Some Infinix Clear Plus documentation, and a screen protector that makes sure to include that hole punch. That's it. So let's just get back to the device and see much about it. It of course accommodates all the 2 SIM cards and separately a micro SD card. Let's peel off these stickers.